60 years of sea harvest. Wow. Welcome. They ask, what is the Sea Harvest Group? It's not what. It's who. Who is Sea Harvest? Who are we? Sea Harvest is here. But it's not just here, it's all over. It's in our friendships, our families, our communities. It's our country. Sea Harvest is here. But it's also here. And it's been here for 60 years. Fishing. Yeah, it's big business. And at Sea Harvest, we know this. We know the sea, we know how to fish. It's our job. But we do it with pride, integrity, and more importantly, we do it responsibly. Sea Harvest. She's an old, wise lady. Over these 60 years, we've grown in South Africa and established ourselves as far afield as Australia through the addition of the vibrant and successful Viking Fishing Group and a fishing business in Australia, thereby transforming ourselves into one of the Southern Hemisphere's leading fish brands with 57 vessels and 3,400 employees in South Africa and Australia. As a member of a Marine Stewardship Council certified fishery, the gold standard for sustainability in the world's fishing industry, we set the example. Whether it's 40 years perfecting our nets, or a young buck who's only been trawling for 20 years, we set the example in our industry, for all industries. Do we have a mission? Yes. To harvest responsibly, to add value to natural resources, to give customers more than they expect, to provide employment that's sustainable, and to add real worth to the communities and stakeholders we serve every day. Now, who are we as a corporate group? I can tell you one thing. We are the biggest empowerment company in our country's fish industry, ever. We process our catch, Cape hake, horse mackerel and other species into many products, chilled and frozen. We market to more than 30 countries around the world, from harvesting to sales and everything in between. After 60 years, you can learn a couple of things. You learn what quality looks like, and quality, well, that's everything. Sea Harvest Aquaculture farms abalone. You know this abalone? Operations are spread across South Africa with hundreds of employees, including the region's top aquaculturists. This enables Sea Harvest to treat its local and international customers to the freshest and highest quality farm seafood products. Complementing our seafood business in South Africa are many other businesses. But that's not the whole story. Since 1964, we have grown to become the single largest employer in Saldanha Bay, responsible for over 4,000 direct and indirect careers. Each person is responsible for at least 4 or 5 people. That's almost all the people in our town of Saldanha Bay. Our town relies on us. Sea Harvest is Saldanha Bay, and Saldanha Bay is Sea Harvest. We are so much more than a group. We're a community that cares. Customers must know that when buying Sea Harvest products, they're buying into our commitment to our children, to our community, to our country, and to our world, to grow our business the correct way, like we have for 60 years, and like we always will.